I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you're hiding your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't sun me. You won't never get to run me. Just when shit look out of reach, I reach back like 1-3. Like 1-3. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah.
Everyday smoky eye look, kind of if you want to be glam every day, this is a look you would kind of go for. So this is only a eyeshadow tutorial, just only because my camera died and I was like, damn. And I really wanted to recreate this, and I have a nail appointment right after this, and I really wanted to recreate this look for you guys, so I went ahead and just did the eye look. I will do a foundation and tutorial for you guys, and kind of just like, this is like every day, what I do every day. This took me like maybe 20 minutes to do, not even, just like the whole face. So yeah, if y'all want to see a tutorial with that, I will post that for you guys. Let me know if you want to see it. I really hope you like this eye tutorial. It's really pretty. I love the way it came out. It took no time at all to do. So if you want to see this look, make sure you keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos for you guys, and I hope you love them. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette, and this is just the Color Burst palette, the one that has like all the colors that you need if you want to do like a pop of color. So first I'm going to go in with this kind of like a deep yellow, right? Don't mind my nail. Right after this, I'm going to the nail shop. So I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to kind of use that as my transition color. I'm wearing more of a mustard colored shirt today, so I kind of wanted to go with that. And I'm going to wear some like brown boots as well. So let's see what we come up with. So right now I'm just popping this color. I do not know the colors, guys. I threw the box away. So right now we just have this yellow going on, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So I'm going to go in with another brush. This is a no-name brush. I don't know what this brush is. So I got this from like the beauty supply store, which they have great brushes. So I'm taking this color right here. It's called In the Crease, and I'm just going to dip my brush in that. And I'm going to focus that, like the title says, in the crease. Don't bring it up as high as you did the yellow at first. Just kind of work that in your crease and just bring it up a little bit. You still want to see this yellow like right in here, and then you want it to transition to this like orangey color. So try not to go too hard with this at first. It's just build it up. I want to intensify this orange just a tad bit. And what I mean by that is just darkening it up just to make my eye pop a little bit more. And I'm still debating if I want to do a matte color on my eyelid or if I want to do a shimmer, but I'm leaning more so a matte color as of right now. All right. So then we're going to go back in with that brush that we used the yellow with, and we're just going to blend out right here. So you don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. You just go ahead and buff all the harsh lines away with this yellow, so you're not adding any orange to it. You're just kind of blending it together. Boom. It's really simple, guys. Like, it's really not too much going into it. And then I'm going to go in with a narrow e.l.f. brush that I've been using for a million years. It's an blending eye brush, so it's just pointed like this. And I use this more so to focus on my outer corner. And I'm going in with the color mauve right here, and I'm going to mainly focus this since it's so deep. I'm going to mainly focus this right here. I'm not going to be working this up too much, and then bring it in here. And it kind of gives it that halo effect. And then I'm going to do the same for over here. Again with that brush that I put the orange with, because I don't want to add any more brown. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to just kind of buff that all out. And I don't mind it going on my lid. I just don't want it to go that far up. I think I want to deepen it up just a little bit more by adding just a little bit darker color. So I'm going in with this same palette, the Day Slayer palette, and I'm getting this color Sweet. It's the deepest color in the palette, and it's kind of like a blackish brown color. It's not black at all. It is a really, really, really deep, like mocha chocolate brown. And I'm going to just put this right here, right on top of that brown that I put, just to deepen it up this corner. And so I don't blend up, I'm blending downwards, kind of packing it in there, because I'm going to go in with the bigger blending brush just to blend that all out. So now we're going back in with the crease color from this palette, and we're literally going to combine these two colors together like so. Get rid of all this harshness, add some of the color back to your eyelid, just in case you went a little bit too far. You're gonna go ahead and take your brush that you put that yellow in and go back in to the color palette with that yellow and work that literally like right here on your transition color. I don't know what it is, but something's wanting me to add blue. And I really don't need to add blue. So I'm doing the same thing I did for this eye, and I'm going back in with this orange. And then I'm gonna get the other brush. Oh, shit. I dipped it in the wrong one. And get that yellow and pop it right here. It's like not in the crease, but it's in your transition. Now, I think what I want to do is I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Editor. And I think I'm going to just pop this actually on my lid. And if I want to do a little shimmer, I'll put the shimmer on top. So right now I'm going in with this Editor. Looking for more of a smoky. There we go. 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 So I'm mixing Epic. I'm mixing these two colors right here. Guys, my nail. These are the only two broken. And I have an appointment like right after. So I'm mixing these two colors right here. And I'm putting those two on my lid. And now it's just all about like blending these colors together. You don't want to look harsh. Going in back with that orange since that's closest to your crease, and just blending that lid color that you popped on together with the orange. And then honestly, I don't really know if I want to add any glitter. Let's wait to do my face to see if I want to add any glitter to the top, just to kind of see where I'm going to go with this. All right, guys, so I went off camera and I filmed the rest of my face. So if you want to see my foundation routine for right now for dry skin, because my skin is very dry. Like I mentioned, I don't really know what's going on. So I recreated this look using a lot of like oils, but then I also like used matte foundations. So yeah, right now I came back on camera to record the ending of my eyes. I might still pop some glitter on, but I don't know. I might save that for my inner corner. So yeah, we're gonna finish out this look. So we're gonna go back in with that Day Slayer palette, the crease color, and I'm gonna go and smudge. Yeah, this is good. I'll blend it out with the brush later. I'm gonna go and smudge this at the bottom of my waterline. Now that I have that in the bottom lash line, I am going to darken it up a little bit, and I'm going to be using this same brush, and I'm going to be going in just with those darker colors that I used in my crease and just kind of mixing those all together just to darken this up. This is really pretty. I like the way this came out. It's like really smoky, but like neutral. And then I'm kind of satisfied with the way this is looking right now. Satisfied. So then, now that's done, I'm going to go in with some Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara, and I am going to get my bottom lashes, and don't forget to do this step because you don't want it to look empty down there, like if nothing is there. Okay, now I'm going to highlight my inner corner, and I think first I'm going to go in with this Too Faced chocolate palette again and get the gold dipped, but then I'm going to go over that with the chocolate gold. That's what I'm going to do. I think that's going to be pretty. So, I'm going to go in with the gold dip, and I'm going to spray it with some spray, Mario Bardescu. You can spray it with whatever water. And I'm going to go in and highlight that inner corner. Yes. See? Look at the difference. I look more woke than baby. This just popped on a whole nother level. Boom. Inner corners are highlighted. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with this NYX Butter Gloss. Oh no, that's way too pink. I'm going to go in with this NYX Butter Gloss. Oh no, that's way too pink as well. Let's try this one again. Maybe I won't put that much on because I'm using the, Fenty Beauty Bomb Gloss to go over that. I just wanted some color. So now I'm gonna go in. This is my favorite product of 2016, 17, and 18 already. I use this every day of my life. My lips are chapped, I put this on. Like, I don't even care. I use this every day. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I went with a brown, yellow, kind of everyday smoky eye look for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine, shorty really blow the pipe, that's true, like a pro. Fuck you thought. Cause gray scenes might be great, but I love your bloopers. Imperfects for the urgent. I want